Kotoko. Tinkler South African na basisi de ukura Portuguese passport. Ono enenra Asante Kotoko pa na hontuma enti mobabo na mode graphics ni bi enra Asante Kotoko fa so de announce Tinkler no mode egu screen so de amaye na oma enra omanya akwanya enhu bi no matimi enhu nti de da so sesie no ura Tinkler ono ne ehemfimfin na afi board chairman and the vice ura shop and afi Mr. Furi Mr. Kwesi Osefuri and Mr. Brown omo emienu na omo ti afane afa a Tinkler ehemfimfin nti ono enene we the new coach edema Asante Kotoko amananso ho a omusa de video by ema owura Tinkler so eka bibi kakra ekira Asante Kotoko ekitafo yinti no.
Hi, I'm Eric Tinkler, new head coach of Asante Kotoko. I want to tell the fans, the players, the staff, the chairman that I'm a very ambitious coach. I come here with passion, desire to achieve and win things. Asante is a massive club on the African continent, and we want to bring back the glory to the football club. That'll be my primary objective, my primary target, but at the same time, it's about developing for the future, making sure that historical club of Asante Kotoko continues to produce fantastic footballers that can represent their national team. Obviously, I played at a high level, both in Europe and in Africa. I coached quite a few teams, obviously in South Africa, been involved in CAF Champions League, been involved in CAF Confed tournaments, won quite a few cup competitions in South Africa. So hopefully I can bring that success to Asante Kotoko. That'll be my purpose, that'll be my aim. I will be working very closely with the chairman and Stanley Menzo to ensure that we make this historical club a giant of African football once again. I want to thank you for the opportunity.
Eno coach Tinkler nensema wadi kan ede atu edwa se wachichire mu ye ebra usi akan na oye footballer obo clubs ahodo usi akan ene obeye coach njumadi odie as coach ne ene ya wanya akwanya ebeye Asante Kotoko coach ni so gitumie se ni nimdi a wanya nyina broja na bobo beye coach no beti akeka nyina ede abom na Kotoko kase no ono so etimi aboa atra Asante Kotoko kase ni mu nti eno Tinkler ono so nsem awde etu edwa eno no mamefa we nka ho na afizak baby apese ofa no watimi afa hazo focus so de eba ne se goalkeeper ni dedi Solomon Agbesi ese dem se nyoma ye den kakra biedi kan ye Agbesi ehye oni ne agent ehye se ese has etimi guarantee no se obeye the first choice goalkeeper e wo hazo folk Asante asisi nhyiamu akoso has intimi guarantee Agbesi ewom se office eba for Benjamin Asare but has esu hu ni se Asare nyankoye die ona ye has number 1 se wokode a na akonya da ho de ma Agbesi na sesi yi ye kwose wo bo se Agbesi ona ye number 1 na ebi ye de kwose contract mu na Asare yantimi ankwa na ye ne dai nti has ene ya ye kase omuntimi guarantee Solomon Agbesi the all person obey first choice goalkeeper e dey ma has folk no muntimi en guarantee en fama no nya no nko am sikasem so no akoya twema mentwe kakra sika Agbesi ene ni agent e dey ato has enim no en se e wo soro kakra nti ama has entimi antiase omo offer omo de beto has folk for enim enkomo guso a ekoso ehon nsem so no yedni nyina e de ebetu edwa bibia foforo ba Agbesi ene has nsem no ye de ebetu dwa Zak ensem ebe ho fie ni ame enhwe ba bia obefa afri
Jibo
Zakito
President John Dramani Mahama wakasa na unse I've listened to him before he say Adena as a Ghanaians for so excited about the modern bona boys in the boy because baby say nanka omanye hwe I think etiji omoso but if you are Ghanaian I follow national team no for this period of time now you understand why the Carlos Cruz any branch and Koyan America no Ghana for the donor any aje. Omani aje not because yakwaji bibi so nkubia. But omani aje because Jibo in the previous performances now team we adana didi amaya no we the musurunko. And then saying so afar from this Ghanaian UK man here Chris Hitting now offer Chris Hitting now offer coach Otto Addo now here in last AFCON qualifiers and then you call AFCON ball Ghana ko boy na I don't know only to sab performance here ko the DL World Cup here a lot of Ghanaians are happy and no I think say with this coach maybe the future a bit my day very bright at the mother blasters and they saying Ibo this na a team now almost struggle to play against Sudan now almost struggle to play against Angola Niger near Tiso to say on the African continent against weaker opponent Ghana Ghanaians akuma feel blasters in because no one see the entire Ghana boy against Angola, Sudan, Niger, Monesa teams na see a break. And then football. But some level Ghana could do you could do a level where we could not play and compete against Angola and Co. And yet the great A combo where Angola money Sudan money and ball. Then all of a sudden Carlos Cruz comes. Put up a very good performance against Wales, then good performances at the World Cup, and Yabefi. One of the critics, I said the ball in your face, and a defensive coach. Tibo, is you not surprised? Even the previous 3 coaches would manage these same players, or about defensive football. With any coincidence. And your fact say, some players not end there one no. Who cover Pep Guardiola bon point him attacking football with our players we.
Oh yeah, sure.
How can you play possessive football with Sibo and Elisha for this?
But say Pateo.
Pateo point me empty more possessive football.
You in Chiwo.
You in
no boy in possessive side.
Dabi Chiwo on your side, boss to boss. Gentis look very good at holding controlling games. On yes, I play Libya, you drive. But say, who control gamer, you didn't mouse at any be. And yes, sheer coincidence, sir, coach is Nino on board defensive football because you're more for Nene. Now we are struggling to get controllers. Najibo, my cousin was him the last 2 weeks now and confront Tiasi. Coach, no. And yes, I could find a selection man. But he accepted. So on them team, you know, and time night it offer you man. Ought me yet, I'm going to place. And can and yes, I know you and for new place in my team into this idea. The recent call out now, blasters for you know, or the other team now to manage that team and get the best out of them. And to that, you know a lot of outsiders in the team. Because coaching decided to unquest scouting the ABU. Because time we not to go and do scouting. And the move of voice be last week Saturday, I'm say Odosafo. I don't say so on no any team okay, Southwest and boy no. Because our team will he accepted say only time to go and do scouting. And the recent callers now coach now occur and no. But remember our team now go to manage and get the best out of our team. It is our team way and your team medical control games. Press we. Maybe saying that Kudus air fit. Now at least he's own Suleiman a year. Double or Caglare at least or he's a better to holding a princess of October than the and Co. Say October. Now you 1 or 2 addition here a bit Nyabua.
Okay.
The message is very clear, and I like the fact say presented and now too. Listen, Carlos Queiroz me share no at 2010 World Cup with Portugal. No on defend Spain the eventual winners okay any you mo free mu. Enye team na o defend eti ye share Real Madrid. He or the side na can football won say mu dey a o too close up games.
Okay.
But on defensive man coach.
Into support to see man into.
No, I accept and agree with our opinion say ye man into na yam fam man say now there what time to prepare the team. What time to go and do scouting? What time to monitor all Ghanaian players? Now, but you prepare team, you know, na get the best out of those players, you know. Near from tournament, you know. I agree.
Yam next one.
Na yam share the be free mo aba. Asante Kotoko, Enra confirmed Eric Tinkler as a new coach. Question I been busa. I just say, na man there. Alezu Eniaje, uko Alezu also no team Adiba Sport player Kotoko, no support be nothing apart from Kotoko.
Sir.
And he say Kotoko on Kotoko news I any ninja. The say na man there, ya tell Alezu nkan because he is a true Kotoko no mfa hwe apart from Kotoko.
Omo di dani bia.
On the Kotoko nya obi go no mfa
hwe. Di Kotoko no mo di ada.
No di e kana mo ni nya na mfa no ho. Di o pa ni say obeti Kotoko ho nsem. Nti I'm sure say na ma Alezu Eniaje. Jibo on paper. So offer Tinkler. Now offer teams now coach here or there bana. The pedigree of the league that he has coached makes him a high profile manager. Pa I don't go ako finance on coach team you know.
Based on teams our coaching. Before Ansan Oba. Okay.
So because to have those teams and the league that he has been able to what coaching all these years you know. So our league you know I'm say they compare Ghana League difference more than 100 difference in terms of the number of who ratings now. And
South African League
you know. And Ghana move up.
Okay, so Wakochi Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
2013 to 2016.
Okay.
Okochi almo 3 seasons. Cape Town City. 2016 to 2017. Super Sports United. 2017 to 2018.
Okay.
Chippa United. Okochuomo just 1 season. 2019 to 2020 Marisburg United. 2021 to 2024 Cape Town City. And at 2025 to 2026 Sekukunde United.
Yes.
Nti we need teams now who say teams was South Africa.
Yes. But at least who Orlando Paris over there. And what follow Marisburg bia their story no. Nancy na Marisburg MC omonso omusika no sika no call for ma omonso ama omunyama akofom kakra. But enka offer teams in sa anyama ni nyana Jibu. This is a very high profile coach because he is coach and be consistent in one of the best leagues in Africa.
Mamen line so na mene okay, Samese Twaso into the Twaso.
He has coached in one of the best leagues in Africa. Now Jibo Adebakwa Tinkler from the word go. He will bring discipline. Sadia over the years, ya criticizing Kotoko team no in terms of more and discipline and that things no. Tinkler will bring discipline at Kotoko. Jibu.
Mamen line so na yene Owura Kwaku Amponsa K5 eni nkomo aye di chairman episode na note. Chairman ya mo akwa ba na bibia boko de. Ye to nka che.
Tuti wa fankache unti mesami da kokra unya correcto
meji tum fa cheme se kane na me ye ne na se mu na menye kane de na me ye
unso wa chaso simple
chama na bibia boko de
yanko father mo boni die ni ha.
Oh, okay na still u Kotoko na chi as they say the why silent kakra
o so Kotoko de hebeda no aja chedi na yampani father Roma no mo se yenya abotre na omo hihye ni mama ye.
Okay.
Ntina monti yenka no Kotoko ni de yewom.
Oh, okay. Now, Chairman, annual appointment Eric Tinkler, South Africa.
So I come me fa kwa we sunchia obi a na emom no asem bi a me chi ye na me pesa me fa kwa we so. And me supporters bi kasa. Ma ti se Kotoko supporters bi se coach na ya fa no. Of South Africa. Now South Africa for up and come Ghana for. And you know something for Miss Rom, Yamidin Strom, Miss Rom pa. Me and Franco Fahokra. Oh, not 7 previous. So it will be a house you cry na your Kotoko that you could do ya, yes, soon, between a boyama, Tina ya, or say a Maquine near boy. And it will be a or no, your Portuguese me. And Ninko free South Africa, never meaning Papa Numna. I say no show South Africa. Mr. Support your study and Madaruma, Mr. Pa, Mumi Yaka. And we are the coach now, Abano. No, Maniaji, because that me as technical director, but me and coach. Who's the funny power so me and Momojumano a boom? And Tibako Banabako Maya. Not as I call you here. You know, I'm a TL, me more than you say, and the fire, and to coach, no, you're welcome, no. Maybe you should miss it, cheap, and support, no.
Okay. Nti odi wa ho din nyina said obi aba odi ta na chi no beta coach echi.
Beta na chi papa beta na chi.
Oh, okay. Me ya sure say oti akira woni mpanyifo didi nkomo no nyoma bi enyoma so koso. Aside coach na appointment no so far ede na be kan dia fa Asante Kotoko board no ho since almost start fully e wa Asante Kotoko dwumadi no de na be kan dia for mo
Kaka mpesa me ka form one say ye do omase na ye de nyame nso ase na ye de opim so ase so yi say ni pa me say omo mehwe Kotoko no. In fact, if you hadn't so or maybe you did that. Now this time around no buy, you know. Maybe the man who say or who Kotoko problem. And the problem or Kotoko no and almost solve. Obia himself Kotoko players now. The former last season. Until Yabako and so many bobo. But no cry back of the industry in the Kotoko. Sadia who say board for them. In Tina Omokofa technical director, Omokofa free baby nada. Coach into free baby other. Obia him say I was circle I war Holland circle 150. Mete technical director ni me from chairman. Any member back could say Muna mo Holland na papa we mudri no say. So dem si born abasho. And almost saw your discipline. I do a paper. No. It's in there, me who are board and say, Omo who adwuma ni so. Omo who adwuma ni so. My idea pa say, Omo yesa ni ma we.
Oh, okay. Na adwuma so e koso adakoja ache minim say eno so ahu a.
When I'm a coca, oh. That be a mika Kotoko. Mo me I to say MPP ni ND. They are very bad. So be bad. Na dwuma wa ye ne be to aso no. Ye nto aso. Na ejan na da ho. Mo Asante Kotoko. No kwaye ba ko pe. Ubenya container no atrem. Container ya na ya ponsa ye. Enti from so far e wo ene de hin. Ni ejade ya to wa ma de hwede na aye. Wo se broni ba ya o se oh ya brochi kra niam we nyi search na munyam me. Afa niam board yi sa boka o. Afa ni asama board yi e boka. Eseye. Sa niam no future bia Kotoko leader bia Mr. Munya. Hwekeke support bia ye deda ho. Eda ho bia bo onto aso. Obi be ye bibi ni obi ba onto aso. And for so then I said in February, I also. so ba ku kra ni so so hwe adwuma papa omoye papa no so akyerɛkyerɛ nyema bi wɔ ho a yenye ye be ya brusan a emre bi mikas na kwa akɔtra hɔ anom me club bi
yeah
omoye ne kama
distila abo kwa tena akonom
omu bie di a so mama kwan ko ade a so first one dey na ya ponsan no ho ndie me na antimi ka no ate ase na we bia no ma anti ase o ma anti ase dia ma pem ba bia tuna kokra we gine me ho so ju mo yem de mani aso esra be di mani aso pa dia ka ni say ye supporters no me samo mo mi enko tedi me samo pa show Kotoko na enkoye ni nyina hwotumfo cowboy ekọ playing body ni technical team ne omom ye adwuma hweka wei it is that time no na ke soro ni for 20,000 15,000 25,000 you cost them every match kan kwa dogo chachi anko ya da ko jachi stadium ye enko ne de misi no na ma Kotoko team no mpagya no supporters ya enko segment ma Kotoko team ni mpagya oh Etienne me supporters papa. On plate me kasa supporters. No ma stadium. Ada mbeba no ball no nkoye. Mura na we na musi emre. Na sremo munya sabi ni na. Nye nyai. Na se ni ma papa e ba Kotoko ni nye nsom. Ni e mo Kotoko tim no ni nye. Me ye men.
Chairman Kwakwambo Saki 5 anope bedase.
Mesum da sepa na ma mi hu wache
meba emfina nkopem nyame ya aduma adwada de obehu manim
nache
okay Chairman Kwakwamponsa K5 former National Circles chairman Edema Asante Kotoko ena yene no edi nkomo